guys, Ryan from Taxi Garage here today, and I've got my son here with me today to show you guys a very special Stage 3 kart that we built for him. And Tom, what was your idea with this kart? What did you want to do when you were building it?
Shred it.
Just shred it? Did you have a theme that you wanted to showcase here?
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs? Tell the camera a little more about like what dinosaurs did you put on this kart?
I put the Velociraptor's scratch mark and the blue Velociraptor and the Tyrannosaurus Rex and Indominus Rex fighting. Blue T-Rex and Indominus Rex.
Came out really sick.
Yeah.
So Tom had a lot to help with actually doing this type of work with me at my shop. He helped find the files and he helped actually cut them, sand them, and weld them onto the kart. And then he actually fully assembled the kart with me as well. So this kart is really a father-son homage to sending it together and having fun as a family. And just like you guys can do at home, you can get yourself a kart similar to this with your own custom design, theme. We do it all, as you can see here. And you can send it with your son or your daughter at home likewise. So this kart is something really unique. We haven't done a lot of these. This is a Stage 5 chassis with a Stage 3 motor build. And obviously I went with the Stage 3 motor package because obviously he's 10, he weighs like 60 pounds, and it's literally faster than almost everything we offer just because he's so light. 63 pounds. And so as you see with this Stage 5, which we can do for anybody's chassis, that you request to do Stage 5 chassis work with. We can do all sorts of custom designs onto the gussets that we add to your chassis. So as you see here, Tom was explaining to us earlier, this is Blue, the Velociraptor, this is a T-Rex, and of course this is the Indominus Rex who fights with those T-Rexes and Velociraptors in Jurassic World. Just like you see here, we can make your own creation come to life. Check it out. Push your dad off track into the bush. bullied me a bit there. What's wrong?
I have frogs in my pants.
Frogs?
Rocks.
Rocks. Thought he said he had frogs.
I almost lost an eye, but I had my sunglasses on.
Smart. Why? A rock came and blew
No,
up?
a stick got shattered.
Wow.
I just flew off the trail and crashed.
I just got my explored.
Whoa, keep it PG.
Oh my god. I thought I was broken before, but I'm definitely broken now.
Tom, you win.
He bullied me. Beat me up off the trail.
Look at
I
that,
literally
look at
had
that
no
big.
steering, and then it just was like, that was it. Oh
Pull
my
that car, look at that big nugget in the
butt,
chain.
dude. Here you go, Nick. You got some work to do. Bringing your cart back.
That's Nick's cart.
Yeah.
How was the first trail rip on your new cart?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Awesome.
How long until you're better than your dad at crazy carts?
One day. Send it with us.
There you go. Back
Whoa!
Send it with us.